Adventures in Leadership, Creating Tomorrow's Leaders Today. Adventures in Leadership's summer program provides a unique, experiential leadership environment in which students build confidence by learning essential leadership skills, stepping outside their comfort zones, and embracing civic responsibility and character development. Students are exposed to exciting learning experiences, such as a visit to the Edge at George Mason, which provides challenging team and individual activities which help students identify their strengths and weaknesses. A visit to George Washington's home at Mount Vernon and the George Washington Leadership Institute to gain insights into the life and character of George Washington. They will then engage in group activities and have the opportunity to present their results to the group. Students will conduct land navigation and team exercises at Prince William Forest, teaching them leadership, independence, resiliency, self-awareness, and environmental understanding. They will also have the opportunity to hear from a veteran of the World War II OSS, the precursor to the CIA, as he talks about the importance of teamwork and not confining yourself to artificial boundaries that limit your performance. A trip to the Alexandria, Virginia-based Motley Fool Company will also teach students about how to create a positive culture for creativity and innovation. Students conclude the program with a day-long trip to the Gettysburg battlefield to learn leadership lessons from that critical battle and how they apply today. They will also receive a free copy of founder Tom Coyle's book, Leadership Lessons from the Battle of Gettysburg. If you are ready to take the next step in your leadership development and find out about our 2015 schedule, visit our website, www.adventuresnleadership.com, or contact us today, info@adventures, leadership.com. Start your leadership adventures today.